Hey guys, welcome back to Stockable Trading. In this video, we'll be looking at SPX and to conclude that today, if it was a dead cat bounce, I'm still bearish on the long term. Don't get me wrong. Just because today we went up 40 points doesn't mean the downtrend is broken, and then I'll be looking at that. And then NVDA earnings play, Alibaba, which I have two calls in it. 180, and I pick up some shares with Alibaba, and then NVIDIA I'm still holding a how much left? Eight 180 May 24th call still have them. And then one thing that I want to talk about is SOXL. It's a ETF for semiconductors, and then there's a price target we're looking at 111, and now I'll be explaining why I have this number. So first of all, let's zoom into this chart. We have a clear downtrend. Okay, look at its trend line 166, and what do you see? We have a clear rejection and then another clear rejection here. Okay, and then just like we respected the uptrend, we have to respect the downtrend. So today, I was targeting 28.32, but then we shot over it by 10-ish points. That's okay. So what's my stance for tomorrow? Tomorrow we could see another green day tomorrow, but then here's the key. Okay, if we open green tomorrow, if we break 28.50 into that's a 285.0 on SPY would break that, we can certainly see 287 to 288. But then if we having a hard time to go to above 280 to 285.5 on SPY, let's say 280.50 on the S&P, we are going to see 2770 to 2750 in next week, or even Thursday or Friday. Okay, so this is still in play, and then and I think this will be in play once we reject the 2850 tomorrow on SPX. That's what I'll be looking at. 2850 is a key point. Why? Because we topped out here like 6 times today. If you look at like the 1 day 5 minute, and then you look at 2850, like this was the top. We went up 1 2 3 like 10 times, and then we rejected so many times around this range. So that's my key concern and the key resistance on SPX. Alibaba, I am bullish on this. I think it's gonna have a nice open tomorrow to like 180, since again we jump within this channel and we close above the 173 support. Okay, so there's a higher chance that we go back in here after open tomorrow, and then maybe fade with the market. So would you be playing Alibaba? I'll be saying that you should short Alibaba once it go over 180, 181. That's when you short it. So I have a target 180 tomorrow on Alibaba. Next one I'm looking at is NVIDIA. When is earning? Thursday after hour. So with NVIDIA, this remains still not intact, but we are closer to the moving averages. So again, I was talking about the 160, the 151 area where they first broke out. So with NVIDIA, I have high hope that it goes back within the 172, 173, and overshoot it to 180, because NVIDIA does have 13 points expected move for Friday, and then based on history of NVIDIA, we always go beyond it. So I'll be looking at maybe 175 to 180 if the market wants to go higher. So NVIDIA I am short term and long-term bullish. If you have calls in June, just hold it. This thing will eventually go back up to 195, 200, very likely. And I'm going to contradict myself a little bit, because on the SOXL, you'll see a gap right here at the 111-ish, 111 to 119 mark. So if I expect that for SPY to go to 276, 275, it's very likely to see SOXL to go down all the way to the gap at 111. This is a small gap right here that needs to be filled. So let's see how it goes tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next video.